If you want to learn how to use split cut in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove a section of audio while keeping the empty space in place, so the rest of your track does not shift left. This is really useful when you want to create a pause, remove a mistake, or leave room for another audio element without changing the timing of the rest of your project. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Audacity tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and find the section of audio you want to remove. Use your mouse to click and drag across the exact part you want to delete so it becomes highlighted. Take your time here and make sure you select only the section you want to cut, because whatever is highlighted is what Audacity will remove. Once the audio section is selected, go up to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Click Edit and then look for Remove Special in the drop-down menu. This is where Audacity keeps a few advanced cutting options that let you control how audio is removed. After clicking Remove Special, choose Split Cut. When you select Split Cut, Audacity removes the highlighted audio, but instead of closing the gap and moving everything together, it leaves a blank space right where the audio was. That means your track timing stays in place, which is perfect if you need silence in that spot or want to preserve alignment with other tracks. This is a great tool for editing podcasts, voiceovers, music projects, and any audio where timing matters. If you were to use a normal cut, the track would usually shift and everything after it would move forward. But with Split Cut, you get the benefit of removing the audio while keeping the spacing exactly where you need it. So just remember the simple flow. Highlight the audio section, click Edit, click Remove Special, and then click Split Cut. That's all it takes. Once you get comfortable with this, you'll be able to clean up audio much faster and keep your edits perfectly organized. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Audacity tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.